The Kawasaki Ninja 500 stands as a masterpiece of engineering, blending power, performance, and aesthetics into a single, breathtaking machine. Under the soft glow of the showroom lights, its sleek and aerodynamic bodywork commands attention. The deep metallic paint shimmers as reflections dance along its sculpted fairings, highlighting every precise contour. The aggressive twin LED headlights pierce through the ambient light, giving the bike an unmistakable presence. The illuminated showroom sign above boldly displays Kawasaki Ninja 500, reinforcing its legacy in the world of sport bikes. Every detail of the motorcycle exudes a sense of speed and sophistication, from the sharp lines of the bodywork to the perfectly integrated windscreen designed to cut through the air effortlessly. The finely crafted aluminum frame balances strength and agility, ensuring that the Ninja 500 is both lightweight and responsive. The sporty yet comfortable seat, positioned for optimal riding posture, allows the rider to feel connected to the machine, ready to unleash its full potential. The digital instrument cluster displays a futuristic array of information, ensuring that speed, RPM, fuel levels, and gear position are all within a glance. The Ninja 500 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience waiting to be unleashed. The twin-cylinder engine rests at the heart of this beast, tuned to deliver smooth yet exhilarating acceleration. The throaty growl of the exhaust reverberates through the showroom, hinting at the untamed power that lies within. The finely tuned suspension ensures superior handling, whether carving through tight corners or cruising down an open highway. The braking system, equipped with advanced ABS technology, provides precise stopping power, giving the rider full confidence in any situation. The luxurious showroom, with its polished marble floors and modern architectural design, serves as the perfect backdrop for this engineering marvel. The ambient lighting has been meticulously arranged to accentuate the bike's aggressive stance, casting soft shadows that enhance its dynamic appearance. Large glass windows allow natural light to stream in, further enhancing the aura of exclusivity. In this setting, the Ninja 500 stands as both a work of art and a testament to Kawasaki's racing heritage. The branding on the walls is sleek and minimalistic, with the name, Kawasaki Ninja 500 inches glowing in a futuristic font, leaving no doubt about the identity of this machine. Every detail of the showroom has been designed to complement the presence of this exceptional motorcycle, creating an environment that is as premium as the bike itself. The sound system subtly plays a mix of revving engines and track-inspired beats, setting the tone for what the Ninja 500 represents: power, precision, and performance. Enthusiasts and potential buyers walk around, admiring the intricate details that make this motorcycle special. Some run their fingers along the sharp lines of the fairing, appreciating the craftsmanship that has gone into every inch of the design. Others stand back, taking in the full view, imagining what it would feel like to grip the handlebars, lean into a turn, and feel the rush of adrenaline that only a Ninja can provide. The bike's rear end is just as striking as the front, featuring a sharp LED taillight that complements its sporty look. The underbelly exhaust system enhances aerodynamics while delivering an unmistakable sound that excites the senses. The tires, wrapped around precision-engineered alloy wheels, promise exceptional grip and stability. The footpegs are positioned to provide an ideal balance between comfort and aggressive riding, making it perfect for both city commuting and spirited weekend rides. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 embodies a perfect harmony of form and function. Its engine delivers an optimal blend of power and efficiency, making it suitable for both experienced riders and those stepping into the world of sport bikes. Every ride promises an exhilarating journey, whether it's a spirited track day or a scenic ride through winding roads. The aerodynamic design not only enhances performance but also reduces wind resistance, ensuring a smooth and stable ride at high speeds. The Ninja 500 is engineered for thrill seekers who demand both style and substance in their ride. The luxurious setting of the showroom only amplifies its allure, making it impossible to ignore. The gleaming floor reflects the bold lines of the bike, adding to its commanding presence. The air is filled with the subtle scent of premium leather and high-performance rubber, evoking the feeling of being in a place dedicated to speed and precision. The illuminated display of the Kawasaki Ninja 500 inches on the wall serves as a constant reminder that this is no ordinary motorcycle, it is a symbol of excellence in motorcycling. The staff, dressed in sharp, professional attire, stand ready to provide details about the Ninja 500 specifications, performance capabilities, and customization options. Riders who approach this machine know that they are not just buying a motorcycle, they are investing in a lifestyle. The test ride booking desk sees a steady stream of eager enthusiasts, all hoping to take the Ninja 500 on the road and experience its legendary performance firsthand. The moment the key is turned, the engine roars to life, sending vibrations through the frame, a promise of the excitement that lies ahead. The throttle response is immediate, the power delivery smooth yet exhilarating. The Ninja 500 is built to conquer any road, delivering precision handling that makes every corner an opportunity for adventure. The experience of riding this machine is one that words can barely capture. It's the sensation of freedom, the thrill of acceleration, and the unmatched confidence that comes with knowing you are in control of one of the finest motorcycles ever crafted. The LED lights create a striking visual signature, making the bike instantly recognizable even from a distance. The sharp, angular mirrors complement the aerodynamic shape, ensuring a clear rear view without compromising style. The fuel tank is sculpted for an ergonomic fit, allowing the rider to tuck in comfortably when pushing the bike to its limits. Every element, from the sleek body panels to the seamless integration of technology, reflects the dedication that Kawasaki puts into its machines. The Ninja 500 is more than just a ride, it is a statement. It tells the world that the rider behind the handlebars is fearless, passionate, and ready to embrace the open road. Whether parked in the showroom under luxurious lights or tearing down an empty highway, the Ninja 500 remains an icon of speed and precision. It's a machine that doesn't just move, it inspires. The showroom itself feels like a temple dedicated to performance motorcycles, where only the best machines earn their place. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 stands at the center, its presence undeniable, its potential limitless. The energy in the air is electric, as admirers take in the full beauty of this remarkable bike. The future of riding is here, embodied in the sleek lines and powerful stance of the Ninja 500. This is not just a motorcycle, this is Kawasaki's legacy in motion.